Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki WagonR, a car that has been a staple in the Indian automotive market for years. The 2025 model brings a host of updates in design, performance, and features. Let's explore what makes this iteration stand out. Exterior design. The 2025 WagonR boasts a refreshed exterior that aligns with modern design sensibilities while retaining its iconic tall boy stance. The front fascia features a redesigned grille with a prominent chrome accent, flanked by sleek LED headlamps, giving the car a more aggressive and contemporary look. The overall silhouette has been refined to improve aerodynamics, reducing drag and enhancing fuel efficiency. The sloping roofline adds a sporty touch while maintaining ample headroom for passengers. Interior comfort and features. Step inside, and you'll notice a spacious cabin designed for comfort and convenience. The use of high-quality materials and a well-thought-out layout enhances the overall driving experience. The dashboard is equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Bluetooth connectivity, allowing for seamless integration with your devices. The instrument cluster is digital, providing clear and concise information to the driver. Additionally, the WagonR offers ample storage spaces, including door pockets and cup holders, catering to the practical needs of daily commuters. Engine options and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 WagonR offers multiple engine options to suit diverse driving preferences. The base variant comes with a 1.0-liter, 3-cylinder petrol engine that generates 66 bhp and 89 Nm of torque. For those seeking more power, there's a 1.2-liter, 4-cylinder engine producing 89 bhp and 113 Nm of torque. Both engines are mated to a 5-speed manual transmission, with an optional 5-speed AMT available for added convenience. The car's lightweight build and efficient engines contribute to impressive fuel efficiency, making it an economical choice for city driving. Safety features. Safety has been a significant focus in the 2025 WagonR. The car is built on the Hatchback platform, which ensures safety and stability with its impact-absorbing structure. Standard safety features include dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a seatbelt reminder system. These features work together to provide a secure driving environment, giving you confidence on the road. Driving experience. The WagonR's tall boy design offers excellent visibility, making it easy to navigate through city traffic. The suspension setup, featuring McPherson struts at the front and a torsion beam with coil springs at the rear, provides a comfortable ride over various road conditions. The steering is light, which is ideal for urban driving, allowing for effortless maneuverability. Overall, the WagonR delivers a smooth and hassle-free driving experience, catering to both new drivers and seasoned commuters. Fuel efficiency. One of the standout aspects of the WagonR has always been its fuel efficiency, and the 2025 model continues this tradition. The 1.0-liter engine offers a mileage of approximately 23.56 kmpl, while the 1.2-liter engine provides around 24.43 kmpl. These figures make the WagonR an economical choice for daily commuting, helping you save on fuel costs in the long run. Pricing and variants. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki WagonR is available in multiple variants to cater to different customer preferences. The base model starts at a superscript 15.55 lakh, while the top-end variant is priced at a superscript 17.21 lakh, ex-showroom. This pricing strategy ensures that there's a WagonR for every budget, making it accessible to a wide range of customers. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki WagonR builds upon its legacy by offering a blend of modern design, practical features, and efficient performance. Whether you're a first-time car buyer or looking for a reliable city commuter, the WagonR presents a compelling package that's hard to overlook. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth look at the 2025 Maruti Suzuki WagonR. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more automotive content. Drive safe and see you in the next video. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki WagonR's backside has received subtle yet significant updates, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. The most noticeable change is the redesigned taillights, which now feature an LED signature, adding a modern touch while improving visibility. The vertically stacked design remains, but with a sleeker, more refined appearance that complements the car's tall boy stance. The rear bumper has been slightly reworked, integrating reflectors for better nighttime safety. It also has a more sculpted look, giving the car a more premium feel. The tailgate design has been streamlined, with a wide rear windshield providing better rear visibility for the driver. A high-mounted stop lamp is positioned for improved safety, ensuring that vehicles behind can clearly see braking signals. A subtle yet practical addition is the rear spoiler, which not only enhances the car's sporty appeal but also improves aerodynamics, contributing to fuel efficiency. The WagonR's rear wiper and washer are now standard in higher trims, a useful feature for rainy or dusty conditions. Maruti has also improved the boot space accessibility with a slightly lower loading lip, making it easier to load and unload luggage. The 2025 model retains its 341-litre boot space, making it one of the most practical cars in its segment. Overall, the rear design of the 2025 WagonR balances style, safety, and practicality, ensuring that it remains a favorite among urban commuters and small families looking for a reliable and spacious hatchback. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki WagonR's front side gets a refreshed design, enhancing its bold and modern appeal. The updated grille features a sleek chrome accent, seamlessly blending with the sharp LED headlamps for a more premium look. The redesigned bumper now includes larger air intakes, improving aerodynamics and cooling efficiency. The sculpted bonnet adds a dynamic touch, while the fog lamps, available in higher variants, enhance visibility in low light conditions. The tall boy stance remains, ensuring excellent road presence and practicality. With these upgrades, the new WagonR's front design strikes a perfect balance between style, functionality, and urban-friendly appeal.